Hello friend, and welcome to part 3 of our series, where we will explore the techniques of paper engineering and paper sculptures. Paper engineering. Paper engineering is a term that has two different meanings. In one area, it refers to the science behind making paper. However, in the world of papercrafts, the term paper engineering refers to the craft of using principles of mathematics and physics to create movable structures and pop-ups in books or cards. These mechanisms fold, pull, and pop into place. Practitioners of this craft are referred to as paper engineers. Pop-ups. A pop-up is a transformation of flat folded sheets of card into three-dimensional objects that appear to pop out of the folds. Modern pop-ups can be said to be an extension of origami pop-ups, using multiple sheets of card to create their 3D forms as opposed to a single sheet. Mechanical 2D cards use principles of physics to make devices like levers, gears, etc. to create motion cards. These are often found in greeting cards and pop-up books. Paper toys. With origins in Japan, the art of paper toys uses paper engineering techniques to create mechanical devices that perform actions without the use of computer programming. Some use the humble rubber band to create dynamic figures known as kamikara. Other versions use mechanisms like gears, cranks, cams, and levers known as karakuri, which are traditional Japanese toys. Building karakuri toys is a blend of art, engineering, and science, often used in STEAM education. Packaging and invitation designers are also adopting paper engineering techniques to design dynamic products that create a wow factor for their clients. Paper sculptures. Paper sculptures cover paper crafts that are three-dimensional and also sometimes two-dimensional. 2D paper sculptures are created to look like they are emerging out of the flat sheet of paper, an art technique called bas-relief. Some use folding techniques, others use layering of cut pieces of paper. The outcomes range from abstract to lifelike artistic pieces. They sometimes also feature as illustrations for advertising campaigns. For 3D paper sculptures, the techniques are wide and varied. There's paper mache, which involves using strips of paper soaked in a glue solution to create a paper pulp that is shaped into a form. We also have low-poly 3D paper sculptures, which use computer polygon graphics and art to create patterns that transform flat paper into 3D forms by cutting, folding, and gluing. These outcomes are generally used for interior or event decorations or costumes. Some also feature in shop window displays. Paper flowers are also a popular 3D paper sculpture used mainly in the events industry. That's it for part 3 of our series. There are still lots of other types of paper crafts to explore. It is such a wide and vast field, but I think I will condense as much as I can to make the 4th part be the finale of the series. Till next time!